Oh, shit. I just left Oakland. Usually I haul into the port. Container companies that load the ships. Well, when I got to Oakland, there was something very eerie. Remember when all the ships were stacked up and we couldn't get the shit off them? The ports are empty. There's no ships. They used to be jam-packed. So I went over to, say, Pacific container company where I have a friend. He says he's going to be out of a job next week because Tyson and JBS will no longer be shipping meat to the port. Heads up, people, it's going to happen a lot quicker than you think.